Welcome back to another episode of Stock Talk. It's your boy Dre, 10K Dre, and Body by Bree.
Oh, we up.
These
We
motherfuckers been
up.
milking this shit all day. I'm late to the party and I made some
Mm.
little money myself. Bree, just holla at these motherfuckers.
Bro, I told him we was consolidating at the 680. What? 680 and we live. We got kids in the back. Oh my god, I'm up. Let's go. Okay, I'm gonna sell. I'm gonna sell right here and take this because mine's for tomorrow. I thought I got for Friday. But so I seen it at that 680.07. We'll just call it 680 flat. And I'm like, nah, if they was gonna bring it down, I thought we was gonna have to go touch 676.37. But Spy, as we know her, Spy Reach, she did her own thing and she broke out. She about to hit 690 by the morning.
Exactly, and that's why I'm swinging this 693 spy call on Robinhood, which I paid, sticking with the $8 vibes. This contract, I got it at $9. It's at 22 right now.
And make sure y'all tap in with us.
Exactly.
We
You
got to
know,
put the right link. Man, the volume is just where it's at. Like it was never. I mean, I'm glad we made money on the puts, the money that we did from 885. I mean, 685 to 680. I think Carrie caught that whole John. I feel bad. Face, because is Face still on here?
I don't
I had
know.
told Face to abort. Yeah, he's on. He ended up breaking even on the puts, but he could have let it drip a little bit more. But I thought it was gonna reverse then. But this is what it did. Like I thought what we doing right now is what we was gonna do when I told Face not to get calls. I mean puts. Sorry.
And imagine if we would have got calls at that double bottom at 678. That would have been crazy. So Netflix, real quick, Bree, the pivot. I wanted to say that you might have been away for a second, but I was telling Trish that I watch listed a $200 call on Netflix for June of 2027. The contract is currently $91. So that's like almost a year and a half out of time. And then I also watch listed a Netflix $200 call for January 15th of 2027. That's $40. So
Nice.
just to kind of keep our eye back on that leaps type of mentality. Um,
And I think we should I want to get either Riot or Mara Leap, Stray. I'm
oh yeah,
telling you,
yeah.
that's gonna be the bag. Once crypto gets its shit together, there's been so much info in the news, like about how the banks and with crypto and yada yada yada. And I think that's gonna be a major bag. And they're cheap right now.
Ain't crypto, or is it towards the bottom or it's almost at the bottom?
Well, BTC gotta break out over 100K soon. It's doing all that consolidating that it's been doing.
So what, maybe some kind of coin situation? Or you say,
Nah, see, Coinbase been moving like that. We gotta fuck with Mara and Riot and do the small ticker so we can get like 3 months out. I think like June, June,
yeah, that
maybe
sound.
not that far, but maybe like at least like we could get like a $30 call on Mara, maybe for like 2 months out, because we know that's where Mara has been before.
No, I hear you. You know about it better than me, so just give us, or whenever you happen to find some good. Do you already have anything watch listed as possible leaps?
Yeah, on Riot I do, but not on Mara. Let me tell y'all. Hang on one sec. Okay, so for Riot, I have oh my god, 687.20. Um, Spy ain't playing.
Ain't no hold up.
Ain't no. Yeah, whatever Trump said, like that just took a sec to digest, I guess.
Yeah, this thing is going crazy. So this 693 contract I got for tomorrow, as I mentioned, I got it at $9. Let me just slide it on over here for the viewers. Contract at $9. It's already almost at $40. Of course, we're just gonna let that marinate. Let's see what it look like. At this point, we on target for 690,
Yeah.
give or take, and that would be $9 to damn near $80 potentially. But one of the people over on the YouTube channel that left a comment that wanted to know a little bit about TSYY. You know, it's a ETF that's kind of linked to Tesla. And unlike ULTY, where, you know, we did take a L, I'm going to keep it real and tell you about my personal losses. So I pivoted to TSYY, and I feel better about this one overall because it's related to Tesla. Tesla, you can never count Tesla out. She may go into the trenches. She might even hit 400,
Yeah,
but best
but
believe.
she's always gonna come back to get you at some point.
Mm-hmm.
You just gotta keep going every week.
Exactly.
You gotta stay committed.
And then another technique or strategy that you can use to mitigate is when TSYY get high again, when they get to 550 and over again, sell. And then when it dip, buy back in lower. That's how I've been able to pretty much mitigate my losses to a degree, because when that thing was in the trenches at $4 and some change at the very lowest ever, I was only down $96 total.
Mm.
So now that it's back at $5 even, I'm up, you know, $123.
Dre, 688. Let's
Ain't
go.
no hold up.
Ain't no hold up, bro. I said 690. If we would have just stuck to the plan from the morning. I mean, there was puts, but ooh.
Oh yeah, yeah. I'm up 50 something dollars on the 693. Let me check the
Oh my God, Aries, I hope you.
Aries gonna be mad than a motherfucker. I am up almost $100 on my other joint for this 690
Dre,
call.
Dre, I'm up on these 700s for Friday. I got in at 10. They at 18,
This shit,
19.
like I have to scoot the whole chart down, as you see. The line just keep going up, and then you see, well, for those who's watching this video later, the next order block ain't until 692.22. This is this is just really crazy right now. But oh yeah, so back to TSYY, just to put the bow on it. Another strategy you could use is your dividends that you get each week, whether it's $80, $50, couple hundred, you could take those funds to use that to buy other stocks. And that's kind of another way to kind of help offset and balance things. Tesla, Tesla is just, I don't know, man. And it's
Man,
crazy
the
because
six.
somebody on the Twitter streets had called it out. They said, "Watch, a move is coming on Tesla." Let me see what the Twitter streets saying about Tesla, because clearly something is going on.
Something. What made the market do that? Let me just do a 1-2.
But
Bitch, we got the bread.
exactly, robbery in session.
Right.
No ski mask, nigga. Aries, I know you on silent, you at work, but damn, baby, right at the time
No,
that you
I
left.
don't know where he's at.
No, he it looked like he back in here on mute. Right when he
Oh,
left, I think he left right when that shit was in the trench at 678.
bro, if we would have got SPX from the 678.37 to now, $10, $10.
Exactly.
$10 move? Bruh, $10 move on Dre. This was our day for the NDX.
Oh yeah, yeah, exactly. Oh my God.
Oh, y'all swinging calls?
Hell yeah.
Yeah, no
I
doubt.
know you are.
Yeah. The way it just keep bouncing off, the way it's like respecting that level, and the news that just came in, I can't rationalize swinging puts. But if I would have got puts this morning, I would have made 300 in like 1 hour. So I'm mad that I didn't get them.
Yeah, today was one of them type of days you could have made a bag on the calls, then on the puts, and then back on the motherfucking calls again, and then back on the puts.
Over and over and over again.
Again and again. Intel back at $54 and some change. So yeah, thank y'all for tuning in today on the episode of Stock Talk. This your boy 10K Dre.
And your girl body by Bree.
We had special guests with us, King Aries. You got a couple words for the people. All right, maybe not.
Pray to live another day, man.
And beware the blood
and,
moon.
and we will catch y'all on the next one.
All right.